everyone, this is Ashley from IntervalUp. Today we are doing 15 minutes, no repeat, no equipment, oblique focus exercise. So we're going to focus on our obliques, our side abs and waist. What we're going to need is just our mats. Everything will be low impact. We have 15 different exercises that we're just going to go over once. Each exercise will be 45 seconds of work, followed by 15 seconds of break. And here's our tiger. Hey! So, don't forget your water and your towel. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell on so you know when the next videos are uploaded. So if you're ready guys, let's go and get started. 여러분 안녕하세요. 인터벌업의 애슐리입니다. 자, 오늘은 저와 함께 집에서 하실 수 있는 맨몸 반복 없는 15분 옆구리살 집중 복근 운동을 해볼 건데요. 오늘 준비해 주실 거는 매트 있으시면 매트만 준비해 주시면 되고요. 드실 물과 땀 닦을 타올도 잊지 마시고요. 이것도 같이 즐길까요? 그리고 오늘은 반복 없는 동작들이니 15가지 운동을 한 세트만 해볼 겁니다. 각 운동은 45초 운동과 15초 휴식으로 이루어집니다. 그리고 좋아요와 구독 꼭 잊지 말아주시고요. 그리고 알람 설정도 잊지 말아주시고요. 자, 준비되셨으면 시작해보러 갈까요? Okay guys, ready? We're gonna reach up. Hamstring curls, curl. 4 kicks, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hip openers. Other side, 3, 2, 1. Hands on your shoulders, rotate. Jog it out. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's go and get started. So first one, we are doing bicycles. So, 45 seconds. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Bicycle. We are doing star crunch. Star crunch. Here we go. Up. Up. Now modify. Come halfway up, tap your knees instead. Right here. Otherwise, it's a full crunch. Take a break. oblique crunch.
chill while others hurry. I didn't know that I've been the fool. I've been telling lies about something real, but I know love is based on honesty. Kept thinking how real love should feel, knowing that it's not
10 other side, 10 right side.
since I was a kid. I've always put my feet wherever I want to. Before I saw who I could be.
Okay, 11, we're doing leg cross oblique crunch. So, right over left, crunch right here. 11. Here we go. Here we go.
Summer's gone, I'm latching on. Don't even know your name, but you're still in my head. Underneath rays of gold, your body oh so close. No, I can't forget, no. When I saw you on the dance floor, oh, I saw you who saw me first. I guess it's history now and I shouldn't care, but it still hurts. I didn't realize the danger, cause you're the end of the rainbow. And the music was so loud, didn't catch your name over this crowd. Girl, you should wear a name tag, cause all I wanna do is to know your name. Girl, you should wear a name tag.
13, we're doing Russian twist.
Girl, you should wear a name tag.
Russian
It's
twist.
too important to be your name. People go insane when you walk by. Girl, you should wear a name tag.
So,
Girl, you should wear a name tag.
modify, feet on the floor. Otherwise here.
Girl, you should wear a name tag. Girl, you should wear a name tag.
Ooh.
Lose control of myself, can't find you anywhere. Been trying for too long. I give up my luck, been looking everywhere. It
14.
doesn't make sense, no. Cause I need you on the dance floor.
We're gonna go squat, knee to
I guess
elbow.
it's history now and I shouldn't care, but it's still
Alternate.
hurts. I didn't realize the danger, cause you're the end of the rainbow.
Here we go.
And the music was so loud, didn't get your name over this crowd. Girl, you should wear a name tag, cause all I wanna do is to know your name. Girl, you should wear a name tag, that's the only way that I get your name. Girl, you should wear a name tag, it's too important to be your name. People go insane when you walk by. Girl, you should wear a name tag. Girl, you should wear a name tag. Girl, you should wear a name tag. Cause I need you on the dance floor. 4 a.m. and we go home. I guess it's history now and girl, you should wear a name tag. I didn't realize the danger, cause you're the end of the rainbow. And the music was
Last
so loud.
one.
Girl,
We're
you
doing
should
a
wear
shuffle, side jab. 15. Here we go. your arms out, legs out. Shoulder roll out. Get water. Okay, I forgot my water, but make sure you drink your water. Shoulder roll out. Ear to the shoulder. Other side. Up and over. Switch. Quad stretch. Plie. Reach up, slowly bend back. And take a deep breath in through your nose, out through your mouth. 2 more. One more time. And we're done for today.